Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best intermediate climbing shoes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 3 is the La Sportiva Men's Kubo Rock Climbing Shoes, which strike a balance between performance and comfort. These shoes feature a subtle asymmetry and moderate downturn that allow for precision without sacrificing wearability. The unlined uppers are soft and breathable, making them suitable for long sessions, while the integrated toe rubber patch enhances durability and offers improved jamming and hooking performance. The Kubo's dual Velcro closure system ensures a snug and secure fit, and the sticky rubber outsole delivers excellent grip on both indoor and outdoor surfaces. This shoe is designed for versatility, excelling on everything from gym walls to moderate outdoor routes. The design also includes a performance-focused midsole, which enhances edging capability without feeling overly stiff. The Kubo is an excellent choice for intermediate climbers who want a shoe that can handle a variety of climbing styles. Pros include its versatility, durable construction, and comfortable fit. On the downside, its price range, which starts at $111.79 and can go as high as $266.83, might be a bit steep for some climbers. However, if you're looking for a reliable all-rounder that can handle most challenges, the Kubo is worth considering. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the La Sportiva Men's Tarantula Boulder Rock Climbing Shoes. This shoe is a favorite among intermediate climbers for its exceptional balance of comfort, durability, and performance. Featuring an aggressive yet approachable design, the Tarantula is perfect for bouldering and sport climbing. Its Velcro closure system ensures a precise fit, while the leather upper molds to your foot over time for enhanced comfort. The Tarantula stands out for its versatility. The Friction RS rubber outsole provides excellent grip on a variety of surfaces, and the asymmetrical shape allows for precision on edges and small footholds. This shoe also features a lined interior to manage moisture, making it ideal for long climbing sessions. Whether you're tackling indoor gyms or outdoor crags, the Tarantula delivers consistent performance. While the Tarantula is a bit pricier at $118.95, it offers a lot of value for intermediate climbers looking to push their limits. Pros include its excellent grip, precise fit, and durable construction. The only real downside is that it might not be the best choice for true beginners due to its more aggressive shape. However, for climbers ready to level up, the Tarantula is a fantastic option. Finally, at the top spot, we have the La Sportiva Men's Finale Rock Climbing Shoes. This shoe is an absolute powerhouse for intermediate climbers who are ready to take their skills to the next level. Featuring a slightly downturned shape and an advanced Vibram XS Edge rubber outsole, the Finale offers unparalleled precision and grip on both small footholds and steep routes. The leather upper provides a comfortable fit that breaks in beautifully over time, while the lace-up closure ensures maximum customization for a snug fit. The Finale excels in both indoor and outdoor settings, making it one of the most versatile climbing shoes in its category. Its supportive midsole enhances edging power without compromising on sensitivity, and the unlined design ensures breathability for extended use. Whether you're bouldering, sport climbing, or tackling trad routes, the Finale offers the performance you need to excel. Priced at $138.95, the Finale is a premium option, but it's worth every penny for climbers who want a high-perfuming shoe that doesn't compromise on comfort. Pros include its precision, versatility, and durable construction. The only real con is the price, but if you're serious about climbing, the Finale is an investment that will pay off on every route. For intermediate climbers looking for the best, the La Sportiva Finale takes the crown. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.